Good morning children. Today we will start our unit 5th stress management. Children, we all are knowing about stress because we all are facing that every day, each and every moment. So in this lesson is very interesting children, and definitely you will like it. So in this lesson we will learn that how we can manage our stress, our problematic condition. Whenever we are in stress, we can't think any good things. But after this lesson, you will learn that how we will come out from our stress. So my new manager had just completed a rough first day on the job. A flat tire had made him come late to office. Here is one story of one manager. So my new manager. Writer said that my new manager had just completed a rough first day because he reached late in office on his first day because of his flat tire, because of his vehicles. There was staff shortage and he had to take up the accountant's work. And that time staff shortage means there was some problem in staff and he got that accountant's work. The accountants did not tally and now his old car refused to start. His old car, his vehicle, because of that tire, because of the problem of that tire, it didn't start properly on the time. So he was late in office. As soon as he entered his house, he underwent an amazing transformation. But then while I drove him home, he sat in stony silence because he was so much disturbed. He had such a stress because of late and he was stony silent. जिसको हम सन्नाटा कहते हैं. Stony silence. On reaching his home, he invited me to meet his family. So writer dropped him in his house, and when they reached, that manager invited him to meet his family. He hugged. As we walked toward the front door, he paused briefly at a small tree and touching the tips of the branches with both hands. There was in front of his door, entrance of his door, there was a small tree, beautiful tree. And after entering his house, he touched that plant with both hands. As soon as he entered his house, he underwent an amazing transformation. And after touching both hands to that plant, his behavior was totally changed, transformed. बदलाव आ गया उसमें. His face was wet in smile. He was so much silent while driving, means on the road, on the way of his home. But after touching that tree, he totally changed. वो बिल्कुल भी बदल गया. And his breath, यानी जो उस पर स्ट्रेस था, जो उसका टेंशन था, वो स्माइल में बदल गया. His face was totally changed in smiling. He hugged his small son and gave him a kiss. He smiled at his wife and introduced me to her. He was totally changed, children. He hugged his son. He looking smiling to his wife. And as we sat down in the comfortable living room, his wife appeared with piping hot tea and snacks. And they took that hot tea and snacks. Afterward, he walked me to my car. We passed the tree and my curiosity got better of me. That writer was so much curious about knowing of that plant. I asked him about what I had seen him to do earlier. उसने क्या किया इसके पहले? What he had done? Oh, that's my worry tree. Worry tree. So worry means चिंताओं का पेड़. That's my worry tree, he replied. I gave him a blank look. He doesn't understand what he was saying. Worry tree. He went on to explain, I know I can't help having worries on the job, but one thing for sure, worries have no place in house with my wife and son. So he explained that I have so much tension, official work or other things, but whenever I am entering in my home, so I don't want any worry on my face with my child and with my wife. I want to live very happily with my family. So I just hang them on the tree every night. So he was hanging all his worry. When he was entering, when he was returning from his job, so he touched that tree and he was hanging all his worries on that tree. And I just hang them on the tree every night when I come home. Then in the morning I pick them up again. And whenever he started his work, he started to going his work, again he was taking that worries with him. So he was living very happily with his family. So funny thing is, he smiled, and when I come out in the morning to pick them up, there aren't nearly as many as I remember hanging up the night before. And he explained that whenever I am hanging that worries on the tree, but at night he was hanging that worries, but on the morning it disappeared. Means on the morning again I fresh up my mood and I am going to my job. So I am living very happily with my family. So children, we can also do these things in our life, and because of this habit, so that person was happily in his life. So children, we also have to try these things in our life to hang our all worries in a tree, and while entering we can hang that all worries from anything to any tree and entered house happily, live happily with our family. So this is the very best example of stress management. How can we manage our stress, our problem, our sorrows, worries, anxieties? We can also handle these things in our life. So try it in your life.